Hello and welcome to OptinMonster. Lightbox pop-ups are a great eye-catching way to convert visitors into subscribers. In this video, I'll show you how to add an OptinMonster pop-up campaign as a link in your WordPress menu. If you haven't done so already, be sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Before we get started, you'll need to have completed a few things. First, you'll need to have already created your pop-up campaign, set the display rules to MonsterLink. This is available if you have a pro or higher subscription, and set your campaign status to published. I've left the links to the details for the initial setup in the description below. Now, let's get started. First, we'll need to copy the campaign's URL. From the campaigns list in OptinMonster's WordPress plugin, select Shareable Link from the More Actions menu, and copy the campaign's URL. Next, we'll need to create a link in the WordPress menu. From the Appearance tab, click Menus. Select the Custom Links tab, paste the link you just copied in the URL field, and type what you want to appear in the menu in the link text field. Then, select Add to Menu, drag and drop the link into the position you want it to appear in your menu, and then save your changes. And that's it! The menu link for the campaign is now live on the site. If you have any questions, browse through our helpful documentation. Or for further assistance, you can submit a support ticket, and we'd be happy to help.